Hi there, Melody from WTI, and I'd like to welcome you to my humble home away from home. This is the WINTENT by Play-Doh. Let me show you why this amazing car SUV tent is something that every family needs. So you can buy these separately or together. This is the rainfly and the screen room. They come in these little bags and it comes with instructions. So starting with the screen room for camping, it's 15 by 7 by 6, so there's quite a bit of room in here. It's made out of this really good mesh material. It's waterproof. It just wraps around the car with this elastic here, so it's going to keep everything bug-free. And as you can tell by zipping it open, you've got quite a bit of room in here. We've got 2 twin beds in here, or you could put a queen size, or even there's enough room for a few chairs, all the while keeping it bug-free because of this awesome screen room that it has. And yes, now is the rainfly part. This just easily gets set right over. You attach the front to the mirrors of the car. Again, it is waterproof. It's got a couple of big screens on the side as well, so it's not going to interfere with any of your viewing or getting fresh air. You can roll the windows up or you could have them down for the privacy that you need. So I'm 5'4", and there's still quite a ways up here. Lots of room, lots of headroom in here. So if you've ever been wondering about these, if you've ever been wanting to try them out, if you've ever been unsure, you're looking for something for camping, if you even need something added to your go bags, this WINTENT from Play-Doh is the one that you need. I love it's got the 2 pieces to it. I love that it's pretty easy to set up and it doesn't take up a lot of room, and it just gives you that humble home away from home. Go get yourself one. That's my point of view.